Opening the gates of ancient Turkestan, you will enter a whole different world. A world where every stone breathes the history of the great past. It was here that crucial decisions were made, which determined the Kazakh people's destiny. The legendary Turkistan is the treasury of the Great Silk Road. The mausoleum of Khoja Ahmed Yasawi. The main pearl in the necklace of Kazakhstan holy sites. Mausoleum of Khoja Ahmed Yasawi was erected under the order of Grand Conqueror Tamerlan, the main pearl in the necklace of Kazakhstan holy sites, a masterpiece of world architecture listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This is the legendary Pantheon, the burial place of hundreds of great personalities, Khans, biis, batyrs. This is a city that has passed through centuries and civilizations. Can you discover the mysteries of the ancient East? Would you like to become acquainted with the content of the medieval thinkers? The land where history is combined with modernity. A place where you will surely discover something new for yourself. Touch the ancient history of Turkestan.